If you're finding that the volume on your Samsung Galaxy S23 is low, there are a few things you can try to fix the problem. First, you have to check your settings. Make sure that the volume slider is turned up all the way. You can also try adjusting the individual volume settings for different types of media, such as music, videos, and calls. You can do so by going to settings and tapping on sounds and vibration, then tap volume. This will show you the sliders of various volume settings on your device. As long as there are no obstructions in the speaker grills of your phone, all you need to do is adjust the volume slider to an audible level to fix a problem like this. However, if the problem persists, try updating your phone's firmware, as it can be due to a software bug, which can often be fixed by new updates. You may also try resetting all settings in your phone to bring all system settings back to their default values without deleting your files and data. If the problem persists after that, then have your phone checked, as it can be due to a hardware issue. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.